Welcome to Skiller Learning. Ready to put your Azure data knowledge to the test? Let's dive into the tasks and functions behind successful data solutions. Question 1. Which responsibility is primarily associated with a database administrator, DBA? The correct answer is managing database backups and recovery plans. As a core responsibility of a DBA is to ensure database integrity, including implementing backup and recovery strategies. Question 2. A data engineer is primarily responsible for. The correct answer is constructing and maintaining data pipelines. As data engineers design, build, and manage scalable data pipelines for transforming and integrating data. Question 3. Which of the following would most likely be the task of a data analyst? The correct answer is creating visualizations and interpreting trends. As data analysts focus on turning data into insights, often using visualizations to communicate findings. Question 4. Which Azure tool would a database administrator most likely use to manage database performance? The correct answer is Azure SQL Database Query Performance Insight. As Query Performance Insight is specifically built to help DBAs monitor and tune database query performance. Question 5. In the context of Azure, who would typically create and manage data ingestion pipelines using Azure Data Factory? The correct answer is Data Engineer. As Azure Data Factory is a tool primarily used by data engineers for building and managing data pipelines. Question 6. A data analyst needs to join, clean, and analyze data for a sales report. What service would they most likely use? The correct answer is Power BI Desktop. As Power BI Desktop enables data analysts to import, transform, and visualize data for analysis. Question 7. Which of the following tasks is least likely to be performed by a DBA? The correct answer is building data lakes. As building data lakes is primarily a data engineering task, while DBAs manage databases and their availability. Question 8. A company wants to automate its ETL processes. Which role is best suited to implement this? The correct answer is Data Engineer. As data engineers specialize in building automated ETL pipelines for data movement and transformation. Question 9. If a company needs to ensure their database is always available, which role ensures failover clusters and backups are correctly configured? The correct answer is DBA. As DBAs are tasked with configuring high availability and disaster recovery strategies for databases. Question 10. Which Azure tool would a database administrator most likely use to manage database performance? The correct answer is Azure SQL Database Query Performance Insight. As Query Performance Insight is specifically built to help DBAs monitor and tune database query performance. For more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel Skiller Learning.